So the last time, guys, we started to sort things by color, okay, by color. But today we will sort things or objects by size and shapes, okay, by size and shape, okay. So let's look at this box in here. Yes, Hala, look at the apples in here. Can you see the first apple? Can you see the color of the apples in here?
Yes.
What is this
Red.
color?
Red.
Excellent. So they are the same colors, right? They have the same color, right? Yes, Hala, they have the same color, right?
Yes.
Bravo. What about the next one? We have two apples also, but can you tell me what is the color of the two apples in here?
Red and green.
Bravo, red and green. So they are the same?
Different.
They are different. Excellent. Bravo. So this is we sort things, or we sort apples by color. So we know that we have the same color at the first row here, and we have the different colors just like this, red and green. Yes, yeah, Amir. Okay, Shashalat. Yes, Amir, if you can hear me. Yes, Amir, look at the second row. We have two apples here, but they have the same size. Look at the sizes of the apples, the green and the red apples. They have the same size?
Small.
Yeah, bravo. We have two smalls apples. And the next one here, yeah, Amir, we have two apples, but the one here is?
Big.
And the other is?
Small.
Bravo. So they are different in size, right?
Right.
Bravo, Amir. So we have two apples here. They have the same size. Both of them are small, but the next one here, we have two apples, Yahala. One apple is big and the other is small. So we sorted them by size, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what about okay, the shape. Just 1 second لأنه الشاشة عندي عم بتعلق. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our book. Yeah. Okay, so here, guys, we have to place shapes, okay, and we sort them by a category of the shape. So here we have a word circle. We have here Yahala, a box circle. So we have to draw here or sort a circle in here, okay? So here we have the word circle. I'm gonna want to draw a circle, okay? Yeah. Yes, yeah, Amir. And the next row here we have a square. So I'm gonna draw a square in here, okay? You don't have to put the shapes in the same box, okay? Every shape we have to put it in the category. in its category.
What, teacher?
We have to put, okay, the square in the word square or in the category of the squares, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, put the square in here. You can color it with yellow, okay? يلا يا حلا, now we have the triangle shape. How many triangle shape in here?
2.
Bravo, we have the red. And we have the
Green.
excellent. We have the red and the green one. Bravo. So I put them here in a triangle shape or triangle category. Yes, Amir, now I will, here we have a rectangle. So can you tell me what is a rectangle? Here. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue one, bravo. And we have also a red. So we have 2 rectangle shapes. And we have here 3, the blue one. Okay. So we have here the word circle. I just put the circle in here. We have only one circle, ya hala, okay? And we have the square here. We have only one square. I will put it in the category, okay? I put it in the right category. We have a triangle. We have 2 triangles in here, and we have in the rectangle category. We have 3 rectangles shape. Okay. Yeah, put them in the right category. Draw, guys, and color the shapes in each category. Yeah. You see, Amir, how many rectangle we have here? Yes, Amir. How many rectangle shape do we have here?
Teacher.
How many rectangle shape do we have here? 1,
4.
2, 3.
1, 3.
We have 3 rectangle shape, right?
Right.
We have 3 rectangle shape. Yes, Yahala, how many triangle do we have?
How many triangles do we have?
2.
Bravo. We have a 1 circle and 1 square. Yalla, hurry up, do it, please, guys. Yalla, ya Amir, hurry up. Bravo, Amir. Bravo, Hala. Open the next page. But we're gonna use this page. We're gonna go back to it to know the number of the shapes, okay? So, yeah, Hala. Hala, look at the categories in exercise 1, okay? The previous one. Count how many in each category. Can you tell me how many circles do we have?
How many circles do we have? How many circles?
1.
Bravo, we have 1. Can you tell me, Hala, how many squares do we have?
2.
Squares.
1.
We have 1 also. Bravo. We have to write here number 1. And can you tell me how many triangle do we have?
2.
Bravo. And how many rectangles?
3.
Excellent. So now, Hala, I want you to circle the categories that have one shape. Which category have a one shape? A circle, and
Square.
square. Excellent. A circle and square. So write the number 1. Write the number. We have 1.
Write number 1 here. Yes.
Okay, Amir. Now, Amir, go back to the previous page and tell me which shape. Okay. I want.
Teacher, no finish.
Okay, you're not finished. Okay, yeah, let's take your time. So we have one circle, we have one square, and you have to write to circle the circle or the number 1 here and the number 1 here, and you have to write the number 1. Okay. يلا يا أمير finish. يلا أمير. Bravo. يلا أمير. Now I want you to circle the category that has 2 shapes. Can you tell me, bravo Amir, can you tell me which shape has which category has 2 shapes? 2 shapes. Which one? ارجع للصفحة اللي قبلها، احكي لي كم shape كان عندنا two shapes.
3.
No, Amir, listen to me. We have إذا رجعنا للصفحة اللي قبلها يا أمير بنشوف إنه في عندنا كان 2 shapes. Okay, 2 shapes بالفور boxes. Okay, بالcategories. So أي واحد منهم كان عندنا فيه 2، كان في عندنا فيه 2 shapes. Triangle, right?
Right.
So I'm gonna circle the triangle. صح معي يا أمير. We have 2 triangle shape and we have to circle it and write number 2. قبل ما تكتب يا أمير خلينا أحكي أفهمك. أمير هلا إذا رجعنا للصفحة اللي قبلها أوكي مو رسمنا نحن الأشكال كلهم.
Yes.
كل بوكس حطينا فيه shapes.
No.
بلا حطينا كل بوكس حطينا فيه shapes صح؟ مرة رسمنا
Yes.
circle، مرة رسمنا triangle، مرة رسمنا square، مرة رسمنا rectangle, right?
Right.
So the triangle كان عندنا how many triangle shape؟ ارجع للصفحة اللي قبلها، ما تطلع علي، اطلع على الكتاب على الصفحة اللي قبلها. يس من أول لازم عملت هيك. Yes يا أمير, look at the previous page, look at the previous page.
Wait.
We have 2 triangles, right? The red and
No.
the red and the green, okay?
Okay.
يلا انتبه معي منيح يا أمير وخليك فاتح الصفحتين مع بعض. open the two pages عشان تعرف تحل. يلا يا حلا. حلا, now I want you to circle the category that has 3 shapes. Which, if we go back to the previous category, can you tell me where it is? Can you circle the category that has 3 shapes? Can you name it?
Rectangle.
Bravo, the rectangle have 3 shapes in it. So circle it, the rectangle in here, and write the number 3. Bravo يا حلا, great job. Bravo. Bravo حلا, thank you so much. So Amir and Hala, we have 1 circle, we have 1 square, we have 2 triangles, and we have 3 rectangles. Okay, if you go back to the previous page, you will know the answer. مو بس بنكتب يا أمير, بنفهم كمان, بنطلع على التيشر. يلا hurry up. Bravo. يلا, let's go to the next page. So look at the shapes in here, guys. Look at the shapes, يا حلا, at the first row here. Can you tell me what shape are these in here?
Square.
We have all squares in here, right?
Yes.
So we have the same shapes, right?
Yes.
Bravo. Yes يا أمير النعسان. Sleepy أمير, sleepy أمير. Look at me here يا أمير, يلا. صح
Yes,
صح.
teacher.
صح صح يا أمير. يلا, look at the next row here. Can you tell me we have the same shapes or the different shapes?
Different shape.
Bravo. We have what? We have what is this in a red color?
A circle.
Bravo. And we have here, what is this? What is
A triangle.
rectangle? Bravo. Okay, so we have here a different shapes. Now I want you to write, okay, or draw here the same shapes, the square. We have to draw the same shapes. We have here all these shapes in here are squares. So we have to write the same shape. And here we have to write the different shape. We have a rectangle, we have a square, we have a circle. So we have to write any shape you want, a different shape, right? So I'm gonna draw here a triangle. So now here we have all squares, and here we have different shapes. Here we have same shapes, here we have different shapes. Okay, يلا do it. Draw a square, then draw any shape you want. برافو يا أمير. Finish يا حلا. يلا open your next page. Okay. So, يلا Amir, look at me here. Yes, you have to turn on your camera and look at me here. Now we're gonna classify and sort things by size. Just the apple we see, okay? So here I'm gonna draw a big apple. This is a big apple. And here I'm gonna draw a small apple. So I'm gonna sort the apples by the size. Can you tell me, Hala? The first row. Is this a big or small apple?
Big.
Bravo. Yes, yeah, Amir, what about the next apple? Is it big or small?
Yes.
Here.
Small.
Small. Bravo, we have a small. So we have different sizes. I'm gonna sort them by the size, the big size in the right category and the small size in the right category, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, do it. Draw two apples, the one is big and the other is small. Bravo, Hala. يلا أمير, hurry up. يلا open your next page. برافو يا أمير. Okay. So here, guys, we have many shapes, okay? We have many shapes. We have here red and we have yellow, yellow squares, okay, Hala? Yes, Hala? We have two squares, we have a red and a yellow. So can you tell me, Hala, where is the big square? Which color is it?
Yellow.
Bravo, the yellow one. Bravo. I'm gonna put it in a big category. What about the red one? The red one is what? The red square. Small.
Small.
Bravo. So we have two squares. The red one is small. Okay, this is a small square. And we have the yellow one is square. Okay, so one more time, Yahra, we have two. How many squares do we have here?
Two.
Bravo. The red one is?
Small.
And the yellow one is?
Big.
Bravo. So I put them in the right category, in a small category and the big category. Yes, Amir, look at the rectangle shapes. Can you tell me which rectangle is big?
Blue.
The blue, bravo. And which rectangle is small?
Red.
Bravo. How many red rectangle do we have?
Two.
Excellent. We have two. So we have two small rectangles shape. One and two. Okay. Rectangle, square. Okay, what about, we have another square, yeah, Hala, right? We have a green square. What about the green square? It's small or big? The green one.
Small.
Small. If you compare it to the yellow one, okay، إذا قارناه بالأصفر the yellow the yellow square رح نعرف إنه it's so small. So the green square is also small one, okay? So we have three squares, two of them the green, okay, the green and red are small, and the big one is, we have only big one, which is yellow. Okay, so we have the square, we have the rectangle. Now we have a circle. Yes, ya Amir. Look at the circle in here. Can you tell me the circle is big or small?
Small.
It's almost big. Okay, Amir, it's almost big. Okay, yalla, do it. So we have in the small categories, we have two squares and we have two rectangles, okay? In the big categories, we have yellow and yellow square, rectangle, and we have a circle. So we have three big shapes and we have four small shapes. Yalla, do it. برافو يا أمير. Yes, يا حلا, finish.
Teacher, I finish.
برافو حلا. So we have four small shapes and we have three big shapes. Open your next page. So we have how many small here we have to write, okay? Here we have to write how many small shapes do we have? We have four, okay? We have four small shapes and we have three big shapes. So write number 4 and number 3 here. We have to count how many in each category. We have three big shapes and we have four small shapes. So yeah, Hala, can you tell me which shape, which category has a 3 in it? The big or small?
Big.
The big one. So we have to circle the big one and write number 3 here. Yes, yeah, Amir. Now we want to circle that category that has 4. So we said that we have 4 small shapes and we have 3 big shapes, right? In the previous page. So we have to, yeah, Amir, to circle the category that has 4. So which category has 4 shapes? The small or the big?
A pig.
Count them يا أمير. ما تجاوب بشكل عشوائي. طلع على الكاتيجوريز. Look at the previous page. طلع على الصفحة اللي قبلها شوف كم shapes عندنا. Which one has 4 shapes? The small one, okay?
Wait, we teacher.
The small one. The small one has 4 shapes. 4 shapes. So we have to write the number 4 here. One more time, guys. We have 4 small shapes, which they are. رسمناهم قبل شوي. We draw them. The green triangle, the 2 rectangles, they have the red color, and we have what also?
Finish.
Yes يا أمير عم بشرح لك. مو المهم نكتب أمير، المهم نفهم كمان، فانتبه معي. We have 3 big shapes. We have a yellow circle, square, and we have a blue circle, and we have a blue rectangle, okay? So we have 3 big shapes. And here I'm gonna draw, or a circle, circle a small shapes. We have to circle the 4 small shapes and write the number 4 in here. Okay يا أمير؟ أمير اليوم نعسان مش مصحصح معي أبدا. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for everything. I love you so much and see you next time. Bye bye guys. Have a nice day.